Let's go to 6. Proceed to elevate. Oh no, that's stop. Why is that stopping at like 30 different spots? We will hold off on that. 6. I don't know how low I can go before they start. Oh, I don't want that one. That one doesn't have a floor indicator. I want one of these two. Look at the lovely view we have. Damn, you can see my campus. You probably see my building from here, actually. Let's see. Can I see my building? Oh my God, I can actually see my building from here. That's funny. You can't really see it on camera. It is.
Where are you trying to go?
Me?
Oh.
Oh, I'm waiting for someone.
Oh, you are. I'm.
Just getting some pictures of the view. I can see my own building from here.
Now you're gonna get on E1.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Also, I'm afraid I gotta go to 5 and get something. Is it gonna make me do the thing where I swipe?
No,
From
just
5?
hit 5.
Okay, thank you.
Whenever you're ready.
Thank
And
you.
you'll get on the same elevator as him.
Okay, cool.
It's like Fort Knox, like a really fancy Fort Knox.
Seriously, dude, it's like, I don't know how the hell I'm getting around in here. Oh, why am I zoomed in here?
Yeah, I'm doing like DoorDash.
Oh, you
The
are?
guy put the address in for this tower, but he's in the west tower. So he's like, my order isn't outside my door.
Yeah, this place, this is like, it's so weird because it's like you got like this giant ass complex just slapped in the middle of suburbs with houses.
Yeah.
It's like so weird. I swear, Denver has like some weird zoning laws.
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right.
This is bizarre. I've never seen an elevator that doesn't tell you what floor you're on.
I know, right?
You'd think for somewhere this fancy,
I know.
like a pretty basic feature they have. Thanks, man.
Yeah,
What the fuck? These things don't have PIs. What the fuck? I thought that was just the freight car. Why is there no position indicator in this thing? What the fuck? Can see us going there. What the fuck though?
Yeah. And a while.
Is it gonna make me swipe when I go back up? What's that? Is it gonna make me swipe a fob when I go back up?
Yeah.
Oh, but on this floor?
What floor are you going to?
30, or PH.
You can't get to PH without swiping again. If you come on,
Are you
you
at 30?
I'll get the 30 and take the stairs up.
can do that.
Because that's what I did last time.
Does Penthouse have a separate set of elevators or they're the same share?
They don't have the separate. They have to share with the rest of us.
Poor guys. Poor guys.
Yeah, I mean, like the trivia I played at Rera was like, you could guess the answer based on how well the question was written,
Yeah.
but here it's not really like that. And the songs may or may not give you hints. They may just
They did at the beginning of
sidetrack
that one
you.
round. Maybe we just got lucky then.
Bonnie and Clyde.
Yeah.
I've never been on an elevator this tall that doesn't tell you what floor you're passing.
Oh,
So
really?
it's this little screen that's like 29, 30,
Yeah, I've
31.
only seen a couple like super high rise that do the like efficiency.
Yeah,
Make
but
sure
they all
you-
have like the little screen that's like, okay, floor
Oh,
29, 30,
yeah,
31.
yeah.
That's weird.
Well, good
There we
luck.
go. Thank you.
Hold on. Do you know if he needs?
Oh, no, I don't.
Oh,
You
okay.
can get off.
Oh, so you know.
Thank you, though. That's bizarre. I've never... 30 fucking floors, no position indicator. What the fuck? Well, that's it.